Okay, next on the list, after all the front suspension's been blasted and painted, it's all curing now. And now it's time to tackle this rear axle. It's a big diff for a small car. But yeah, everything looks dry in there, so no leaking seals. So pull her apart. I'll replace the axle bearing seals, and we'll give her a blast up, clean paint. She's ready to go back in. Okay, after hours of disassembly, cleaning, wire wheeling, sandblasting, painting, and now we're back onto, well, the start anyway, the chassis and the suspension. We're onto reassembly. Put all the brakes back on, and then it'll be a rolling. Still got the forefront to do, but yeah, come up real nice.